Today, we're going to be opening the Accio monthly subscription box for October 2020. For those of you who have opened these with me before, welcome back. We did skip the September box because that was past items and I had most of the items that were in that box. So I did skip over September and we are now in the October box. So if you've opened these with me before, you know that if there is a house-related item in here, it will be Ravenclaw. And if you're unfamiliar with Accio, they are a subscription box that likes to cater to small businesses, cruelty-free items, vegan, all that kind of good stuff. They're environmentally friendly. And I really like that they kind of stand behind the little guy. So we're going to go ahead and get into this. I think I saw that the theme of this is sweets. So I think maybe we'll see a lot of like Honeydukes items or things to do with Halloween sweet treats, things like that, since this is the October box. And they usually try to tailor to something around Halloween or October. So I'm kind of excited to see what they've got in here. All right. Okay, so we have black tissue, which usually lets us know that there is not a house-related item in here, and I'm okay with that. So we're going to go ahead and see what we've got. Ooh, what is this? Oh, I think it's an ice cream bowl. Yeah, so it looks like we got some Florian Fortescue's ice cream bowls, and these are plastic. They're made of like a melamine, so they'd be easy to wash. Let's see, are they dishwasher safe? No, they say do not use in the dishwasher, do not use in the microwave, but they're still really cool. As most of you may know, if you're familiar with my channel, we actually made some strawberry peanut butter ice cream, like the kind you can find in Florian Fortescue's. So these are really cute. The color's kind of weird. I feel like it should have been pink or green or brown, just because that's the main colors of the ice cream shop. But yeah, that's really different. Oh, we might have a second one in here. Okay, so it does look like we have a green one. So the green is the correct color, but I feel like the other one should have maybe been pink or something like that to go with the colors of Florian Fortescue's. But I'm not a huge fan of pink, so I'm actually okay that they went with the blue. But these are really cute. Very different. Okay. Ooh, we got some socks. Oh, they've got chocolate frogs on them. Let me open this up. Okay, these are adorable. So they are chocolate frog socks, and they've got the little packaging on there, and they are in the perfect mustard and purple color with the little chocolate frogs on there. Super cute. Oh, and they're made by Muggle-born sisters. So I feel like Accio promotes them a lot, which is great because I love their stuff. They make really great pins and stickers and bags and all kinds of stuff. But these socks are adorable, and who can't use more socks? So the colors of this are actually the colors of Florian Fortescue, which is also similar colors to Honeydukes. So that's where I kind of wish the other one would have been pink. But these are fun, and I love these. They seem like a very nice quality sock, too. And I think we got a shirt. Let's see. Ooh, it looks like a staff shirt. Let me open this up. This is so cute. So we got a Honeydukes staff shirt in this really fun little mint green color, and it's got an image on the back. So it says, "Ask me to try our new deluxe sugar quills, long-lasting flavor." This is really, really cute. I think this is very unique. This is a fun thing to add into a sweets box. Yeah, I really like it. And the design is super simple and cute, and I think that's fun. And I like that it's a minty green color and not a color of shirt that we get a lot. Okay, so... Oh, I think we got a pad of paper in here. Oh, kind of stuck to the tissue. So it has a Birdie Bots theme to it, and it says, "Been there, done that." That's really cute. So it's like a to-do list with the little beans on there and the iconic design of the box of Birdie Bots Every Flavor Bean, and that's super cute. I don't tend to use these as much as I probably should, but I am definitely trying to get better about using to-do lists like this. So this is super fun. Okay, we've got our cheat sheet. I don't know if that's everything, so let me... Oh, nope, we got a pin. Okay, let me open this up so you can see it better. Okay, this is super cute. So it is a chocolate bar, and it says, "Eat, you'll feel better," like Lupin tells Harry. That's really fun. Super cute. Okay, I think it feels like that's everything in here. So let's go ahead and look at the cheat sheet. So the theme is magical sweets. It says anything from the trolley dears. This month we celebrate some of the most tantalizing treats in the magical world, from hopping amphibian confections to mystery-flavored beans and delicious remedies against dark forces. We'll take the lot. So we have the Hopping Chocolate Socks by Muggle-Born Sisters, Magical Sweet Shop, Super Soft Staff Tea, and this is really, really cute. I love that. And their shirts are really soft and they're printed really well. We have the Sweet Remedy Hard Enamel Pin. Then we have the Fortescue's Frozen Confections Ice Cream Bowl Set. And then we have the Been There, Done That Productivity Pad. And these are all super cute. So, yeah, I think this was a pretty strong box. It was good for sweets. I'm glad they didn't include a bunch of candy and things like that I don't really love when those items come in a subscription box. I don't mind one or two things, but I feel like if it's a lot of those things, it's not, I don't know, it's kind of weird that it gets shipped here and sometimes it's not packaged the best. So I'm glad that they went with items that are sweet related versus actual sweet treats. I think my favorite item has to be these Chocolate Frog socks. These are adorable, but I do like the shirt as well. The ice cream bowls, I eat more ice cream than that when I sit down, but I think they'd be really fun for me to use for my niece and nephew when they come over for ice cream. So they're kind of a fun, different little thing that I would have never really thought about. So I think that's really cute. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you think this is a strong box? I don't know what November's theme is. I know usually if you follow them on Instagram, you can kind of get a sneak peek of what some of the themes are. I try to stay away from the spoilers if I can. I'll usually look and see what the theme of the box is, but as far as what's in the boxes, I try to keep that a secret. So I'm kind of surprised when I open the boxes, but I'd love to hear your comments down below. And if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.